Hey, what is going on, you guys? So, work with me. I got the PC up and going, and I'm going to try and do a couple videos. Hopefully, it comes out pretty good. I want to start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say is merely my opinion, and you should always do your own research. Also, please like and subscribe to the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting people to see the videos. Um, There's also some links in the description if you don't have Webull, KuCoin, Robinhood, etc. Please sign up using my links and we'll both get a few extra bucks. So, as you can see on the screen today, I wanted to do a video on Axie Infinity because this just seems to be hot as hell. I mean, everyone is on it, playing it, I keep hearing about it. So, today I did a little bit of research into what it actually was, and I'm going to go over what I found and what I think of the project. But again, please, I'm not a financial advisor, and half the stuff that I probably say, I mean, I hope that it's true and I hope that it makes sense. So, here we go. It's a Axie Infinity.
Spit
I
it
don't
out,
even know what
dude.
they call it. I guess a metaverse, where you go and hold on. I got some stuff written down. I should probably do that first. Okay, so how it works is Sky Mavins is an early 2018 technology-focused gaming studio. They developed Axie Infinity. It's based off of Tamagotchi and Pokemon games. Axie Infinity is an NFT game. Players can earn currency through breeding, raising, combating, and trading of Axie animals in the marketplace. Axie Infinity's mission was fun and educational. Many of its developers and members of the team met through playing CryptoKitties. They started working on Axie to bring blockchain technology to players. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. You can play and actually win real money and NFTs. Third parties can access all of Axie's data and art assets. This gives community developers the ability to create tools and experiences to further enhance the Axie Infinity universe. Axie's blockchain economic design rewards players for contributing to the ecosystem. This is a big difference from your typical game. The Axie universe rewards players for their contributions. So, they also have a newsletter here that they put out. It explains a lot of stuff on it. I thought it was pretty cool. They got turning it into an esports thing. So you kind of go to their marketplace. You have to have a minimum of 3 Axies to participate, and you kind of hold on. I'll get into that. So this is how it all works. Axie Infinity uses blockchain technology for a play to earn structure that allows players to earn money by solving complicated math problems and mining new blocks. PvP, player versus player battles, are a great way to earn, as well as breeding Axies, selling them on marketplace, and collecting rare Axies. Smooth love potions are required to breed Axies. SLPs, just like all other cryptocurrency, is highly volatile. The price per SLP in PHP 7.53 SLPs are available for purchase via Uniswap, Binance, and other platforms. So, what I think is pretty cool now, they said it's breeding, selling on the marketplace. So people have put together teams. I'm going to get a little bit more into that. It's unreal that this whole universe exists, Okay, so how to play and earn. Axie Infinity can be described as Pokemon mixed with Hearthstone, whatever the hell that is. It's a mix of Pokemon and Hearthstone. Players use cards to command or tell their Axies what action they will take for that particular turn. Each Axie gets 4 cards. These cards are randomly chosen for every battle. To play those cards, you must have Axie energy. To play any card, if you have at least 4 energy, you can play any card if you have at least 4 energy. While other games might allow players to choose which target they attack, Axie uses a battle system that attacks random targets. It usually hits the Axie closest to it. Losing in player versus player battles result in a loss of matchmaking rating, or MMR. However, if you win, MMR and smooth love potions are gained. Don't worry though, losing will not cause a decrease in SLP. This is a relief because your MMR will affect how many SLP you earn per win. You earn You can earn the game's SLP through daily quests or by playing in PvP matches. PvP matches may be the best option since SLPs are more often given there. However, it is recommended to maximize your Axies. You can earn SLP and expect by completing daily quests. This will also provide you with the experience or with EXP and SLP for your Axies. It is important to keep a balanced approach. So, I know that was a lot, and I kind of got stuff everywhere here to try and keep, have some type of organization with where I go. So I know that when I was looking into this, they said how these things are getting so expensive, and they're getting harder and harder for people to keep up playing with them. So people now have developed these teams, and they have their own teams that they've put together. And I have a little bit up here about this. Okay, so 7 tips for getting an Axie Infinity scholarship. So these scholarships is what I meant by teams. They're teams that people have put together, and they allow other people to play with them for a percentage. And, that's pretty cool, so you don't even have to put nothing up. Okay, Axie Infinity is all the rage now, and it's totally understanding considering how one is able to earn a significant amount of money through simple and adorable gameplay. However, the price of these monsters, better known as Axies, have skyrocketing, making the barrier of entry rather steep. That's where Axie Infinity scholarships come into play. How this works is that a scholarship organization lends a scholar a team of Axies to play the game. In return, the scholar will have to give a percentage of their SLP earnings to the organization as sort of a rental fee. While there are many scholarships out there, the competition to obtain one is tough. However, it is not impossible to get one, and we'll break down a few tips to improve your chances of getting a scholarship. I'm not going to go into all these tips, but I think you get the picture. I found all this on CoinGecko. I was reading a little more into it. You fill out an application, you join the Discord. I guess I will go over the tips. You start engaging with the community. Then it says you bring your skills to the table. And I imagine, like tryouts probably. You want to show these guys that you're able to play. They don't just give anybody. It said somewhere where you have to have a certain rating. You can also apply for multiple scholarships. It says treat the scholarship as an actual job. This is their final advice. Once you've been offered a scholarship, be sure that there's a mutual understanding between yourself and the organization. This is usually in the form of an employment contract, and be sure you read and understand it before signing. With such high demand for scholarships these days, securing one for yourself may be hard. However, with enough grit and determination, obtaining one is definitely not impossible. Good luck, friends. So, right now, one Axis is $74.19. These just came out. So, I got a little bit up here on the chart. This is the you see how old they are. It's not that old of a project. I think they launched like in July sometime. Yeah, July, the middle of July they launched. So, let's see. Only up 470% since launch. So I'm not getting paid or nothing for this. I barely can get people to watch, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep rolling. There's a million people watching. But I thought it was pretty cool, and I didn't understand it, so I assumed that there was other people that didn't understand it. So if you're looking to get into something where you can play, have fun, and get paid, I imagine that this is a good project. I personally play Blankos Block Party. It's a lot of fun, and you earn NFTs. But before I get off, so I have these coins. I have these Bitcoins. If anybody would like one, all you have to do is comment below #Bitcoin. and I'll send them out on Saturdays. I have a couple people. If you haven't got them yet, I was trying to wait till I got a few more to send out at once. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, like the video, and put it in the comment section hashtag Bitcoin or Axis, AXS, hashtag AXS. And again, I appreciate everybody. You know, I'm working with me. I'm learning this as I go. If you have anything to offer to the channel, collab, help, ideas, advice, I listen to everything. Please, again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I really appreciate your time. And hopefully I was able to help you out even just a little bit with your investing.